3 minutes is not a lot of time, so I'm going to get started with this video submission. This is an MVP demonstration for the ICP Zero Dapp Hackathon by Encode Club. What I have done is built the My Juno app on my Chromebook, which is just off screen here, has the latest Chrome OS with Linux features, and I was able to build using npm and deploy to Juno. I also was able to push the repository to GitHub, and you can see the Next.js page has been updated to have this sort of little button that submits and includes an entry in the data store. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show the authentication process that I've set up using this YubiKey and then this card reader. So I have both these devices here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to authenticate with this process. I'm going to choose the internet identity here. I'm going to select that, and I'm going to use my YubiKey with the card reader, and it's going to want me to continue to hold that until it authenticates. I can take it off now. It's all done. There's no password been entered. There's nothing to forget. You have to keep track of the device. But I do have a second device connected to this key. So you've got multiples. You can keep it in a safe deposit box, obviously. And then I'm briefly going through the Juno platform. This is my satellite. Very cool. You can set up project with all these different frameworks. And I ran into some problems deploying with GitHub Actions, and it seems like there is a problem with the keyring on Chrome OS, which I might end up submitting a bug to Microsoft on the VS Code project, which is very weird. I was not expecting that to have that come up. So I will in the future be using my bigger Linux box to deploy, but that was not the idea for this hackathon. So what I have here now is the collection, and that accepts entries when this button is pressed. So you have the entry 217. It's going to take a second for this to update. So at least 6 seconds, and this is a short video, so I'm not sure if this is going to update in time, but what we've got is the collection. And there it is. So that's the end of this presentation. It was a very good experience. I think that getting some more sophisticated data collection going is the idea, and to have a better application set up, I think, to gain a better understanding of the bridge is what I would like to do next, and overcome some of this. I had a canister get locked with a bunch of cycles, so I think that this is a newbie submission, and I really enjoyed the project, and I'm encouraged by the use of this technology with biometric authentication. I think this reduces the amount of time spent with passwords, and that's very, very exciting. So thank you to Encode Club, and I look forward to participating in future hackathons.